Hello, Harley here. Guess what I've got? Yeah. Okay, this was a gift from Dwayne B. Link in the description to his channel. Check it. It's a Sears Tri-Speed. Let's turn it over so we can get the information off the bottom. And there we go. It's a model number 564.80171, which, if I'm not mistaken, is a Sanyo brand. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong, or if I look it up and I'm wrong, I'll put it right here in the video. Made in Japan. Comes complete with little hooks. You can hang it on a wall. It's in great shape. Just did a little general cleaning on it. Novacing. Good blades. Green. I love the green, right? Here's high. Listen to that sound. Doesn't it sound cool? It's got sort of a harmonic to it. Then we'll go medium and low, and then oscillate. Here's medium. And low. I apologize for any wind noise, but you know how these fan videos go, you're gonna get wind noise. Alright, I'm gonna go back high, and then I'm gonna put it on oscillate. Oh, there it goes. You know the old Mitch Hedberg joke. The fan is saying no. Alright, let's do medium oscillation. That thing blows a ton of air. I know I say that a lot, but I really mean it. It's like blasting me right now on medium. Low. I can't believe the amount of airflow. I would probably use this thing on low at all times because there's still plenty of airflow. It's completely silent. Here comes my audience. Always got to say hello, little dude. Say hello. Hi, little dude. Okay, anyway, back to the matter at hand. I'm going to go ahead and stop it there. Put it back on high. Then we'll do a startup sound from behind. Just did some general cleaning. It arrived in great shape. I mean, Dwayne did a great job of packing and everything like that. It is a little sunburnt in places, but it'd be a great candidate for retro bright. And I'm eventually going to make a video on how Spats and I have come up with an ingenious plan of retro brightness. Anyway, I'm going to stick this right up against the motor, and we're going to put it on high. It's going to be blurry, but you can hear it. See there? So this is going to be featured in another video where we're going to show off all of our green Sears fans. I want to say special thanks to Dwayne B. Again, his YouTube channel is in the description. Make sure to take a look at it and subscribe to him. Great videos. You'll see. Just click his link and subscribe. And while you're at it, if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed to our channel, go ahead and do that now. It really helps us bring the content to you. And if you want to be extra special, be sure to visit us on our Patreon page. That link is also in the description. Support of our patrons is what keeps us able to make these videos. Especially right now when this is what I'm doing full time. So we're going to let you have a full blast of wind. That's psychedelic. Yeah. Look at that flashing light. I love these green blades. We'll hit the OFF. It's got good coast down. I oiled it. Replaced the grease in the gearbox of the oscillator. And there we go. Hey, do me a favor and smash that like button while you're at it. Again, please subscribe. It really helps us out. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and have a great day.